Growth should feel exciting, not like something your warehouse has to survive. But as orders grow across more channels and locations, keeping track of stock gets harder. What do you have? Where is it? And what needs to ship next? The problem isn't growth. It's what happens when your orders, inventory, warehouse workflows, and shipping all live in separate systems. Because as you scale, every gap starts to cost you. Stock becomes harder to trust. Picking slows down. Mistakes slip through. And keeping your promises to customers gets harder. More orders should create momentum, not more work for your team. Meet Starshipit Warehouse Management. Warehouse management built into the Starshipit platform. It brings your inventory, warehouse operations, and shipping together in one easy-to-use system. Built alongside real eCommerce and 3PL teams, Starshipit Warehouse Management solves the everyday warehouse problems that disconnected or outdated tools leave behind. It's simple to learn, easy to use, and designed to reduce manual work, delays, and avoidable errors. When stock arrives, your team can scan it in and send it straight to the right location. From there, inventory updates in real time as stock moves across locations, zones, and bins. Your sales channels stay updated too, so products can become available to sell sooner. And when orders are ready to fulfill, scan-led workflows guide your team through picking and packing. Items are checked as they move, helping catch mistakes before they reach the customer. Then, labels can be printed and orders shipped through Starshipit, without waiting for another system to catch up. Orders come in, stock stays up to date, your team picks, packs, and ships, and every step stays connected, from receiving through to dispatch. That means faster warehouse workflows, clearer stock visibility, fewer manual checks, and more accurate fulfillment as your business grows. Starshipit Warehouse Management. Inventory, warehouse operations, and shipping connected in one platform. Start your 30-day free trial at starshipit.com.